Birds of paradise. Here is an introduction to some of the birds. Birds of paradise are a group of approximately 43 species of birds that are native to the rainforests of Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and parts of Australia. They are known for their brightly colored plumage and elaborate courtship displays. Male birds of paradise are known for their spectacular displays, which include elaborate dances, calls, and visual presentations. These displays are used to attract females and establish dominance over other males. The females of most species are typically drab and inconspicuous in appearance. Birds of paradise are members of the family Paradisaeidae, which also includes the bowerbirds. They are small to medium-sized birds, ranging in size from about 15 to 110.6 to 43 inches in length. They have unequal and highly specialized feather arrangements, with some species possessing long, ornate tail feathers or brightly colored plumage on their heads and necks. Many species of birds of paradise are threatened by habitat destruction and hunting for their feathers and skins, which are highly valued by collectors. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unequal and fascinating birds and their habitats. Blue jay. The blue jay is a striking bird native to North America. Its plumage is primarily blue with a white underbelly and black markings on its wings and tail. Blue jays are known for their loud, distinctive calls and their ability to mimic other bird calls. Flamingo. The flamingo is a tall, pink bird that is native to Africa, Asia and the Americas. Flamingos are known for their distinctive curved beaks and long, thin legs. They are social birds and often gather in large flocks. Hummingbird. The hummingbird is a tiny bird known for its ability to hover in midair and fly backward. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds and they are found only in the Americas. They are known for their iridescent feathers and rapid wing beats which can exceed 80 times per second. Golden pheasant. The golden pheasant is a colorful bird native to China. The male has bright orange, red and yellow feathers on its head, neck, and back, while the female is more muted in color. Golden pheasants are popular in aviaries and are sometimes kept as pets. Toucan. The toucan is a brightly colored bird native to Central and South America. Its most distinctive feature is its large, colorful beak, which can be up to 1/3 the length of its body. Toucans are omnivorous and eat a variety of fruits, insects, and small animals. Mandarin duck. The mandarin duck is a colorful bird native to East Asia. The male has a bright red face, a purple chest, and orange and green feathers on its wings. The female is less colorful but still has a striking appearance. Mandarin ducks are popular in aviculture and are often kept in ponds and water gardens. Superb bird of paradise. This small bird is known for its striking, iridescent blue feathers and its unique courtship display, in which the male spreads its wings and dances to show off its brilliant colors and intricate patterns. Kingbird. The male of this species has a bright red featherless head and a brilliant green body, with ornate tail feathers that can be over a foot long. During courtship displays, he puffs out his chest and flaps his wings to reveal his colorful plumage. Victoria's rainforebird. This bird has a glossy black body with metallic green and purple highlights, as well as a striking blue cape of feathers on its neck. During courtship, the male spreads his cape and dances, twisting and turning to show off his colors. Western Parotia. This medium-sized bird has a black body and a yellow head with an ornate fan of feathers on its breast. During courtship displays, the male performs a series of movements that include jumping, turning, and vibrating his feathers to create a mesmerizing visual display. Ragan. A bird of paradise. This bird has a red and yellow head and a bright blue-green body with long white tail feathers that curve upwards. The male performs a courtship display that includes hopping, flapping his wings, and extending his colorful feathers to create a cone-like shape. These are just a few examples of the stunning diversity of birds of paradise species. Each one has its own unique appearance and courtship display, making them some of the most fascinating and beautiful birds in the world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.